Hey guys, welcome to another video review brought to you by BuyMeAnIPhone.com. I'm Omar C, and today's video review is sponsored by Ringtone Feeder. Now, Ringtone Feeder is a weekly automated service that delivers ringtones directly to your iTunes library. Now, these ringtones are specifically optimized to sound really great on the iPhone. So if you want to learn more about that, go to ringtonefeeder.com, or you can watch the introductory video about Ringtone Feeder at the end of this review. So today, guys, I have another app review. You guys have been requesting a lot of apps lately, and so I'm finally finding some time to review a couple apps. And so this one I'm going to be showing you guys today is an app that actually works off of your computer and on the iPhone. It's called FileMagic, and it's an app that lets you basically send files, pictures, music, whatever it is, from your computer directly to your iPhone wirelessly. So it's a pretty cool app. So I'm going to show you some screenshots on my computer and how it works, and I'm going to show you close-ups of on the iPhone, the files being transferred over. Okay, so let's go to the other cameras now. Okay guys, so here we have the file right here on my iPhone, FileMagic. So just click on that, open up the application. And this is the screen that you're going to see, and it's going to ask you a question here. Incoming connection from Omar Correa's. That's my computer Wi-Fi connection, so I'm going to select Allow. So here we are on the desktop application. This is on my Macintosh here. And this is something you can get for free off of Splash Data's website after you download it. And so you can see here I'm connected to Omar C's iPhone already, because I clicked on Allow on the iPhone. And so I got a couple applications, or a couple of files I'm going to transfer over. I got a picture of my wife, my oldest daughter, Eden. I have a video clip from George Lopez. Very funny stuff. Just a short clip, just to show you transferred over. It's not the full clip. And I got the theme song, which is a WAV file. And I got a PDF, which is the user guide for FileMagic. And while I got this open, let me go ahead and show you the supported file types that are able to transfer over. I'll get this big enough so you can see it. So the kind of documents that we're able to transfer over are Word documents, the newer and the older version, HTML, web pages, PDFs, PowerPoint, even the newer version of PowerPoint, text files, Excel, Microsoft Excel documents, non-DRM files only, which are MP3s, AACs, and WAV files. For videos, I'm only able to transfer over M4Vs, which is what iTunes or QuickTime plays. For images, we can transfer JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, TIFFs. So these are all different types. So we'll just close this out now. So I'm going to select all of these files here, and we're going to transfer this over to the iPhone. So let me open up another window here. So now you can see it uploading the files on the application on my iPhone right here. And they're both going at the same time. So it's putting the picture, it's going to be putting the movie next, and it goes pretty fast. It's like Wi-Fi. So if you notice down here where my cursor is pointing to, it has a different way. It organizes where these actual files are going to show up. So if it's an image file, it puts it in the image area, videos, music, all these different things. It'll pop up in the exact right areas. And if it doesn't recognize the file, it'll put it in others. And also you can see there it says email. You can also actually type up an email using this little application, and you can send the email through your iPhone in case it's a long email. You don't want to type it up on your iPhone. If you have the software on your computer, you can type it up here and send it over and then send it from your iPhone. Let's go to the iPhone now. Let me show you all these documents that we just swapped over and show you how they work. So here we have the music file. Click on here, it's going to play the WAV file in QuickTime. So you can't listen to these in the iPod application on your iPhone, only through this application in QuickTime. So you can hear that playing there. Let's go back to the main menu and let me show you the video. It also plays the video in QuickTime. You won't be able to do any of your videos in the iPod application, just like the music. With George Lopez, the first few seconds of that. That's fine. Let's go to the beginning of the menu again, and let me show you the images. And images is the only place where I see a glitch that happens, and I'll show you what that is. I get this warning message once in a while. It's about to pop up in a second here. So here it is. It's a memory warning. It says FileMagic is running low on memory. Continuing to use will cause FileMagic to crash. Go back or continue. I get this warning message once in a while, and it does actually crash sometimes when I click on continue. Here's the other kind of weird glitch I noticed is when I put pictures in here, it automatically, like for this picture, it rotates it. So it's supposed to be in portrait mode. So instead of scaling the picture down to match the screen size, it makes it sideways, and so I have to scroll side to side to view the picture that should be rotated, clockwise to be portrait. I'm not sure why it does that. It seems like I don't know, kind of like a funny glitch to me, but it does do that once in a while. So kind of annoying. Let's go to documents here. Let me show you that user guide that I was just showing you earlier from the desktop. So here we have our PDF, and like most PDFs, you're able to click on these links over here, and you should be able to jump to the different sections of the PDF. You can't do that in the application FileMagic. As you can see there, what you'll have to do is flick through, and you can just scroll through pages, and it shows you in the top left corner what page you're on, which isn't too much of a problem, except if you have a 40-page document. That would take quite a bit of flicking through. So those are all the documents. They transferred over pretty good. And let me show you here, if you do want to delete a file from your iPhone, all you gotta do is click it, and I'm sorry, the edit button is being cut off on top, but if you just click on edit, or you can swipe it just like you would a text message, it'll delete off your iPhone. So let's go to the desktop application as well and show you how that works on there. So now we're in the desktop application, and so let's say we want to delete one of the items from here, like the picture. All you have to do is go and click on the X right here. So when you click on that X, it'll actually keep it synced, and when your iPhone reconnects with your software application, it'll delete it off your iPhone as well. So they constantly stays synced together. You can see here that you can also import your address book right here, and you can also send emails through this application as well. So if I click on email, and let's say I want to send an email to Tom at Buy Me an iPhone, I can do that through right here. I can say the to, I can make a carbon copy and put the subject. Call this new review, and I'll say awesome review, keep up the good work, Omar C. So the advantage of this is if you have a really long email that you need to type up and you don't want to type it up on your iPhone, well, you could also always use this application to type it up here. You would click send email, and now you have a new item in your email section. And so when you go to the application on the iPhone, you click on that email section, and you click on that email you just typed up, and it automatically opens up your email application. And you can send it through through your iPhone as well, like that. So as you can see, guys, here, this is a really cool application that Splash Data has come out with. And this, for some of you guys, this might actually replace your flash drive that you carry with you to transfer files back and forth. And keep in mind, if anywhere you install this software, you can have this software installed at work and at home, and you can be transferring files back and forth between your iPhone on both of those computers. So it could be really useful for some of you. Obviously, there are some drawbacks. You can't keep the music in your iPod section of your iPhone, or the videos as well. And so these are just some things to keep in mind. But all in all, it's still a pretty useful app. I'm sure a lot of you guys will probably find this pretty useful. This app is $4.99 at the App Store. And it's, like I said before, it's called FileMagic. So thanks for watching another video review on BuyMeAnIPhone.com. Thanks, guys.
Ringtone Feeder is a great new service that delivers a brand new original ringtone to your iPhone every week. These truly original ringtones are written, recorded and produced by Jeff Smith, the prolific musician responsible for many theme tunes, jingles and songs you've probably heard on many of the top podcasts. Once you've signed up, you can download the last 5 original ringtones and sync them across to your iPhone. Then each week you'll receive a brand new ringtone via iTunes. Synchronization with your iPhone is completely automatic, allowing you to build your own customized collection of original ringtones. Of course, once you have your ringtone collection, you can assign individual ringtones to any of your contacts, making each call easily identifiable and unique.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
You can get some free sample ringtones by clicking on this link, and iTunes will automatically load and subscribe you to the free feed. In iTunes, just create a simple smart playlist to sync the ringtones delivered by Ringtone Feeder, sync your iPhone, and that's it. To subscribe and receive the last 5 ringtones and start receiving your new ringtone every week, just select either a monthly or annual membership, complete your details, and you'll be transferred to PayPal to complete your transaction. You'll then receive an email with a username and password, and a special link to subscribe to your special members feed. You'll receive a brand new unique ringtone each and every week.